Alright guys, got to install a Polar Series shift knob set from GBX MFG on Big Mud Joe's Jeep. Show you what those things look like right there. Transfer case. You'll definitely need a 3/32 Allen head. And I believe this is 3/16, which it is. Another Allen head. If you want to take care of the shift knobs coming off, grab yourself a flathead. We don't care about his shift knobs coming off. They're going in the garbage. So, could be used my trusty friend. And let's show you how to do this. Come on.